So this is the first screen you got when you press the F12 button. So we need to select the language here. So English is the default language, so I won't change it. Then I need to go to the next. So I'll click on the install now, and it will take time a bit to load. So you need to go to, I don't have a product key. Okay, then you need to select Windows 10 Pro. Next. Okay, accept the license and install. So you need to select the drive which has the required amount of space, and also the conversion of it. So this is like the, so what I will do is just format it. Okay, okay, and then I'll choose the, once it gets, now I can choose it. So now the Windows is being installing. It will take some time to get installed, like 5 to 10 minutes. So what happens when the Windows get installed, the computer restarts for one time again, and this is the screen that you get after restarting. So basically it's just restarting, and again it's now, you might have a different interface, but again it will choose operating system to work on, and again it will reload. Getting device ready, service starting services. Okay, good. So yeah, that's it. I think it will now start off, and all the things will be reset, and you will have a new computer that you can use with a good speed. Thank you so much, guys, in this video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one.